Tulsi, a very important plant species. Most of us do not think about it seriously. Most of us do not aware about its benefits. So welcome to my channel. I am Herozit. Today I am going to discuss and share about the benefits and the facts about Tulsi. It is also called Queen of Herbs. Tulsi plants are grown and cultivated in almost every Indian house because of its medicinal benefits and its great connection with Hindu religion. In today's video, I am going to share 10 powerful health benefits of Tulsi which we general people never think of seriously. Friends, Tulsi has a lot of health benefits. Tulsi is commonly known as holy Vaishnav. Ocimum tenuiflorum is its scientific name. In different parts of our country, Tulsi has been given different names as per their language. According to the experts, Tulsi has 18 kinds, and I am showing those 18 different kinds of Tulsi on the screen. Now let us know what are those 10 beneficial points about Tulsi. Fact number 1. Tulsi is natural immune boosting herb. It is rich in vitamin C and zinc, and it has properties like antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal. Number 2. Since it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, it helps our body to fight infections and reduce fever. Eugenol in Tulsi has pain-relieving properties and therefore it reduces body ache. Number 3. It reduces cold, cough and other respiratory disorders like congestion in the chest. Number 4. It reduces stress and blood pressure. Number 5. It has anti-cancer properties. Tulsi have antioxidant properties due to phytochemicals present in it. Number 6. It is good for heart health. Number 7. It is also good for diabetic patient. Number 8. It is useful in kidney stones and Gouty arthritis. 9. It is useful in gastrointestinal disorders. It helps to cure indigestion and loss of appetite. Number 10. It is very good for skin and hairs. Antifungal properties of Tulsi prevent the development of fungus and dandruff. Okay, these are the 10 facts about Tulsi, the holy basin. This video is just to get awareness among us about the benefits of Tulsi. And this video has been made to the best of my knowledge. If anything done wrong or mistake, please let me know by writing in the comment section. For today, I wind up here. These are the benefits of Tulsi, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.